Hello everyone, we're out here on the French Broad today. Got a little bit of a later start, but the temperature's really cool. We've got a decent amount of cloud cover. Sun's poking out of the clouds, so I'm hoping that's going to help the fish get active. We've got one generator running at the moment. It's giving us a bit of a heavy current, but that tends to help smallmouth like current. We're going to see what we can get going here before they start running two or more on Douglas. We're just downstream of Mutton Hollow, a few miles downstream of Mutton Hollow, and we're going to see what smallmouth we can scare up, or maybe something else. We'll see. Oh, okay. That's interesting. Huh. A largemouth. I haven't got a largemouth on the French Broad in years. Holy crap. I thought he must have taken me under a branch or something. That's what it was. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. That's interesting. Okay, let's give him a little bit of line. I was not expecting that. All right, come here, bud. All right, there's a little largemouth on the French Broad. I don't catch a largemouth out here very often. I catch them more often on the Holston than the French Broad. And I'm not going to complain. That was pretty cool. That was pretty cool.
I guess since I've already got it up here, let's go ahead and throw the crank as we're working our way up. River's up. A little more than I expected. We'll go on up here. Oh, there's one. He wanted a bluegill. Nice. He's not real big. The current makes them feel a whole lot heavier than they actually are. Still, pretty fish. Got the skunk out of the boat. Forgot where my pliers were. Still getting used to this new life jacket with all these pockets and D-rings and attachment. Oh, wow, he got me through the gloves. Anyway, there's fish number one for the day. Pretty little smallmouth on the crankbait. I love Ned rig fishing, but when they're hitting the crankbait, that's a whole lot of fun because it's a lot less work.
Something grabbed it. Looks like a little old smallmouth. Maybe he'll come back for it. There he is. Oh, he jumped. There he is. Beautiful. Oh, he got me good. All right. All right, you're slippy and slidey. I'm a fish grip you. Here, buddy. See how I get them fish grips in there. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, yeah. There we go. Nice little smallie. Got me again.
It looks like this is going to be the way to go. Looks like they're after a shad pattern. Well, I could get to liking this. And fish number 3. And that's number 2 for the drop shot. All right. Well, oh my goodness, what have you done here, fish? There we go. Fish number 3.
Might be a drum. I think that's a drum. That is most definitely a drum. Well, I'm not fishing a tournament, so I don't mind. Drum are fun to catch. Okay, he's coming under the kayak. Yeah, there he is. There he is. Dang, he's fighting hard. That's a decent sized little drum. Look there. He's not a tarp sized drum, but he's a big one. He fought hard. He deserves. He deserves some recognition. Let's get this hook out of his mouth. Let's see. This hook got him perfectly in the corner. There's that. So, alright, I'll get that just later. Let's get a rudimentary measurement on him. He's about 17, 18 inches or so. So, there he is. Biggest fish of the day. Not a smallie, but that's okay. Drum are fun to catch too. Let's get him back in the water. Oh, stop being dramatic. There he goes. Drum be dramatic sometimes.
There's a fish. Finally. Well, he's motoring back this way. Oh. There we go. That's what we're wanting. He ain't huge, but he's the biggest one today. So it makes me happy. Fish number 4, right there. Oh, they're such pretty fish, I tell you what. Love smallmouth. So we switched up to some shad patterns. We got the Deal and the Finesse TRD, still with the small button head. Yeah, we got a trick shot on the drop shot rig. Water here is a little bit shallow though, for at least the way I've got the drop shot rig set up. So we've gone back to the Ned rig.
Oh, that's a fish. That's a fish. There we go. GoPro capture. GoPro capture. Okay. Just making sure we're got live. Oh, he's a big one. That's a bigger smallie. I'm going to give him some drag. Ooh, there we go. He's a fighter. Good grief. He wasn't ready to give up. There it goes. Okay, I need to get him back in the water, but he's a pretty fish. Let's get him revived a little bit. Oh, he's ready to go. He's good. Ooh, he swallowed that thing. Good night. He was desperate for that. Biggest smallmouth of the day for me, though, so far. Go.
There's a fish. He ain't a monster, but he's a fish. And I'll take him. Sorry about that, buddy. Didn't mean to bounce you off the side of the boat there. All right, I think that's the number 6 today. 5, 6, something like that. I don't know. It's been a slow day.
Oh, that's fish. Little guy. GoPro capture. I'm paranoid that I don't have this thing going because I've missed 2 or 3 fish. So I forgot to say GoPro capture. All right, well, little guy. I'm fine with catching little guys all day. Teeny little fish, but he's good. There he goes. GoPro.
All right, got to make a change. Sorry, Mr. The Deal. Let's see if Hot Craw can get it done. Tried the Deal, tried Molting Craw. Do what? Throw on what?
Copper trees, but
Yeah.
I wonder if they've made the transition to Hot Craw.
Well, that's just a little bitty one. Anyway,
Little bitty one, I'll cast it over.
that's number 7, I think, or 6 or something.
Not a fish. Oh, another one. It must be coming alive now. Let him calm down a bit. Bring him around to this side. Ooh, what's that around his mouth? Mouth's sore. I don't know if I want to touch that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Calm yourself, child. Get him unhooked. He wants back in the water. I don't, good Lord, you are, ow! You are feisty. There he is, little old smallmouth. There he goes.
Hello everyone, this is LC. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, and if you want to see more outdoor and fishing content, hit the subscribe button so you're notified when we upload. If you have any questions about our methods and strategy for fishing the French Broad, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Again, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.